Hello, good evening guys, and I am here to tell you something about our Davao Art Fest this coming Friday. This is our opening at 6 p.m. in La Herencia Torres. And please support and our local artists here in the Philippines, especially their art fair, their art fest, to continue their works. And please buy their works, our artists, especially my fellow artists here in Davao Art Fest and DAPI, and please support them and buy their works. And those one, and then if you have a paintings you like to buy it, just ask for me if you ask a discount. If you want to buy also my paintings, and I will give you a discount my paintings, and just ask our watcher. And please support also my channel, my YouTube channel, Art Master Painting channel by Ariel Gatchalian. And please continue and support and subscribe my channel for those are not yet subscribing my channel, so that you're always updated to my YouTube. And don't forget to click the notification bells. And please, and I have something to tell you guys about to all the followers, to reminds to all of them. And do not follow those bloggers are not good to you. And those bloggers are very good. That is the one you follow it. Some bloggers are big head and jerk attitude, o pag mataas, huwag nyo silang ipapalo. Never follow them or subscribe them anymore. Just only a good blogger lang ang inyong ipapalo. Not those bloggers are not good on you, especially the followers. At saka sa ngayong Friday, babalik tayo sa Davao Art Fest namin ngayong Friday. At 6 p.m. ang aming opening, ang aming Davao Art Fest sa La Herencia Torres. At saka May 25 up to June 2 lang kami ang aming Davao Art Fest. It means to say, our Davao Art Fest from May 25 to June 2. But our opening is Friday at 6 p.m. in La Herencia Torres here in Davao City. And please support us, our Davao Art Fest, especially my channel. And I hope and I will see you to my next video and next week, and I have a new video of my live painting at not the same area again, and I have just watch it and watch it my new video and wait. And please continue to support us and also my YouTube channel. And thank you everyone, and goodbye, and see you on my newest video on live painting. Good PM and good night.